Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for Rakuten credit card online. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Rakuten official website. Here let's go to the Rakuten official website using this link rakuten.com. So once you are in this website, you'll see this sort of interface. Let me sign out so you can see what you will get when you go to this website. So here you have an option to sign in or join now. Alright, so now let's go to sign in, and here you have to enter your email and password, or you can just log in with Google, Facebook or Apple ID as well. So here I have logged in with my Google account. So I'm just going to click on continue with Google. Let's select the email and head on. So here, to apply for the Rakuten credit card, what you have to do is change the URL to fr.shopping fr.shopping.rakuten.com, and then go to this website again. So once you do that, you'll see the French version of this website. So what you have to do is scroll down, and here this is the option that you can use to apply for credit card online. So first let's translate this, and here you can see we have the register for free button. Click over here. So once you do that, let's translate this again. So now what you have to do is just use your email and sign up for the credit card online. That's it. That is how you will be able to apply for a Rakuten credit card online. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.